Practice makes a person perfect. Hello everyone, I'm Varsha Singh and today I'm here with super easy maths worksheets for practice.
This is our first worksheet. In this particular worksheet, a child need to search number 7 and then circle it. इस तरह की आप और भी डिफरेंट नंबर्स की वर्कशीट बना सकते हैं जिसमें बच्चा कोई पर्टिकुलर नंबर को सर्च करे. आप शेप कोई और भी रख सकते हैं, लाइक मैंने ट्री लिया है, आप बिग एप्पल या बिग मैंगो ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं एंड उसके अंदर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं. In this particular worksheet, a child need to draw a line to connect each picture with its other half. For that, child need a ruler and color. In this particular worksheet, a child need to count the different types of shapes and write the correct number below. This is a very simple count and match activity sheet. So children need to count the object and then match the object with the correct digit. These integrated worksheets are very good for the child's overall development. In this particular worksheet, child need to draw the given number of seeds on the watermelon. So they can recognize the number, color, shape as well as the fruit also. These kind of worksheets are very good for their growth. Now in this worksheet, they need to match the same color fish. Shape, trace, connect and color. In this particular worksheet, a child need to trace the shape. Then they can make the shape with the help of dots. They can connect the dots and make a shape. And after that, they can color the shape. Spot the difference. Now child need to differentiate between the two given pictures. This worksheet belongs to missing numbers. So children need to write the missing numbers. Ordering number worksheet. When children are able to recognize and write number 1 to 10, we can provide them these kind of worksheets. Like in this particular worksheet, child need to learn numbers in sequence. So first of all, children need to write 1 to 10 on the one side of the worksheet. They write 1 to 10 in sequence. We can use ordering number worksheet before teaching them ascending and descending order. So now as they compare Number 4 comes before number 7. So they write number 4 on first place, and then number 7, and then number 10. So this way they can compare with their own and they can easily solve these kind of worksheet. This is very helpful for their logical and mathematical skills. They can remember previous numbers like 1 to 10. They know, they can remember, recall the things, and then they apply on this particular worksheet.
I hope you like this video. So subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest update.